the last TDA you're going to do before we take our PSSE. So we're going to go over the prompt. That's all I'm going to help you with today. This is a TDA that you've already done before as is. So it's kind of a refresher to see how far you've come and how well you can do your TDAs. So this might seem very familiar to you. And that's okay. It's supposed to be that way. So the first thing you want to do again is look at the prompt and you know what we're looking for while we're reading. So let's look at the prompt. It says the passage provides information about bicycles. Great. That first sentence always kind of gives you a summary of the passage itself. The next sentence is the sentence you really want to focus on. The sentence that's going to give you your question or what you're going to write. So it says write an essay analyzing or explaining how the author conveys bicycles of today are different from the bicycle invented by Carl Dreiss. The graphic to support your response. So important things to think about. You want to think about how bicycles of today are different from the bicycle invented by Carl Dreiss. See it? Invented by Carl Dreiss. Just the ones invented by Carl Dreiss. So again, how bicycles of today are different from the bicycle invented by Carl Dreiss. Very contrasting. Always that little structure that we're focusing on. It also says use evidence from both the passage and the graphic. So the graphic is that picture. So now that we've gone over our prompt, you want to go back, you want to start reading, highlighting, underlining, circling anything in the passage or anything in the graphic that's going to help you fill out your graphic organizer. So your next step is going to be filling out your graphic organizer, and then writing your entire TDA and submitting it on Schoology. Okay? So we went over the prompt. Now you want to go read, highlight, underline anything that's important, fill out your graphic organizer, write your TDA,